Okay, guys, so hopefully these are what you got for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you have questions, raise your hand. We can talk about it or ask me about it. But let's move on to another scenario. Now, in this case, I have 3 sides, and I'm trying to find a missing angle. So I'm going to still use the law of cosines because I can't use the law of sines because I don't have an angle on the side that are opposite each other. So looking at this figure, the first thing I want to do is figure out what side you were given in the triangle that corresponds to the angle you were trying to find. I'm trying to find angle A, so that means 27 is side A. So I want to use the formula that has A and A in it. So I'm going to be using A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. That's the formula I'm going to be using because it has both the A's in it. Because I'm trying to find angle A, that's the only formula that I can use that'll help me find angle A. Now, once I do that, I want to find the values to plug into the formula and plug them in. So I want to find out what A is. Well, A is 27. B is opposite B, so that's 19. C would be 23. And then angle A, I do not know. So I'm going to plug it into the formula. So I got 27 squared equals 19 squared plus 23 squared minus 2 times 19 times 23 cosine A. Okay, so far so good. Not too bad. Similar to what we did before. Now the next step is almost exactly the same thing as what you guys did before. I want to simplify the expression or perform PEMDAS. So I'm going to do 27 squared, which is 729. Then I'm going to do 19 squared, which is 361. I'm going to do 23 squared, which is 529. And then I'm going to multiply 2 times 19 times 23. 2 times 19 times 23 gets me 874 cosine A. Now what can I combine? I can only combine these two terms. Why? Because this has a cosine A, and I can't add things that don't have cosine A's involved. So if I do 361 plus 529, I get 890 minus 874 cosine A equals 729. All right, now the last step is I want to get cosine A by itself. I want to get that quantity by itself. So in order for me to do that, I'm going to subtract 890 from both sides. So I got 729 minus 890 gets me negative 161 equals negative 874 cosine A. I still want to solve for cosine A, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 874. So I end up with cosine A to be 0.1842. To find the missing angle, I'm going to do cosine negative 1, or the inverse cosine. So A equals the cosine inverse of 0.1842. Plug that into my handy-dandy calculator, and I get angle A to be, I get it to be 79.4. I'm going to challenge you guys to try to get through question 10 and also try number 13. We will talk about those tomorrow. Thanks, guys.